Yep. What's over there?
There was no evidence of a bear or a dinosaur break-in.
Dinosaur break-in.
Where is our garlic bread?
We ordered it quite some time ago. I think your waiter is quite lazy.
Oh, I am so sorry, Miss Susie. I will get it now. Oh, he's not the waiter. He's reviewing the restaurant for the newspaper. Don't be silly. Well, it's true. He really likes the ravioli.
Cora, can you get rar? You get rar? Rar. Rar.
The most thorough reviewer I have ever seen.
Rar.
Where's Rar?
You gonna bring it to mommy? You bring it to me? Oh, thank you. You did so good. Oh, thank you, sweetie.
Huggy bunnies, Bubby.
You're doing so good walking.